Yeah. Welcome. Yeah, it's been a long minute. Let me break it down now if y'all still with it. First time I did it, yeah, I'll admit it. I kinda hit it and quit it and left y'all hanging, singing, kinda off key with a passion, asking, can I give you back that action? Yeah, I'm a blast in a hashtag fashion. Spell it out for you like a mass closed caption. Get a closed casket, fade to black. This is my spot, then I take it back. Get at me, punk, I was made for that. Y'all don't really even know what you're aiming at. So far back, what you waving at? Y'all can't see the stage that I'm playing at. Y'all hating that, but that's why I do it. Just tell me where the motherfucking haters at, cause I don't need